What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony and I'm going to tell you how you can get started in affiliate marketing today. Okay, so if I was going to get started in affiliate marketing today, the number one thing that I would do would be to find a niche. Okay, if you don't know what a niche is, that's where I would start. I would start to learn what a niche is. Okay, a niche is going to be a category and or topic that has products that you can sell. Okay, are these products your products? No, they're not. Okay, someone else has already done all of the work. They've already done all the legwork. They've already put in all the man hours. They've already shed all the tears. They've already created the product. They've created the sales letter. They've created everything. They take care of fulfillment and they take care of customer service. What you need to do as an affiliate marketer, okay, here you are as an affiliate marketer. What you need to do as an affiliate marketer is take a group of people, okay, here's your group of people. You need to take a group of people and then take them over here to the actual sales page, to the vendor, to whoever it is product that you're selling, okay? If I was going to find a product to promote today, I would go to clickbank.com. It's probably been around the longest out of all of the affiliate marketplaces. It has hundreds and hundreds of products in 100 niches that you can choose from. Everything from golf to weight loss to medicine to affiliate marketing, biz op opportunities to cooking to everything. You sort of get the gist, right? Okay, so I would go to clickbank.com and I would make an account. As soon as you make an account at clickbank.com, you are going to be able to get an affiliate link that is unique to you that you can now take and start promoting to the masses. Now that's the secret ingredient, is where are you going to put your affiliate link and how are you going to get people back to that sales page, okay? There's a few places and ways that you can go about that. You can start a blog. You can start a YouTube channel. You can start marketing to friends. You could start marketing on Instagram, on Facebook. You can run ads on Google. There's so many different ways that what you can do to start bringing in customers, aka traffic, to your sales page. Okay, so can you get started in affiliate marketing today? Yes, you can. The first thing you need to do is establish a niche. As soon as you establish what niche you want to be into, I would then begin to go and do product research. Okay, start going through ClickBank, read through some of the offers, see what the product is, see the history on it, look up some reviews. As soon as you find a product that you would like to promote, I would then get my affiliate link. And then step 2, I would figure out where am I going to promote this product, okay? So there's 2 ways and 2 options that you have. Once you have your affiliate link, you can direct traffic and you can send them directly to the sales page, okay? Good, maybe 10 years ago, but not so much anymore. What you want to do is send them to a bridge page or a landing page here in the middle. So this is your affiliate link and your traffic, your people. You want to send them to your bridge page where you want to capture their email so you can keep in contact with these people. And then from your bridge page, from your landing page, you want to send them over here to the sales product, okay? Once that's done, the game is not over, guys, okay? You still have to put in work, okay? So I can't just go plaster my link all over the internet and wait and hope for sales, okay? It's not gonna work that way. You need to get a system, and every day that you wake up, you need to do something. That's why 98% of affiliate marketers fail, is because they think that once they got their link, once they have their product that they're gonna be able to promote, that all of a sudden that sales are gonna come in. And it's not that easy, guys. You need to put in the work. You need to learn your market. You need to figure out what those people want and how you're going to be able to help them. You're basically the middle salesperson between the people and the product, okay? The product is the solution. The people are the problem. They have a problem. You're going to take the solution and give it to them. You're going to bring them together, okay? Like a great marriage. You're going to bring 2 people together and everyone's going to be happy. That's how you need to build your affiliate marketing business. That's how you can get started in affiliate marketing today. As soon as you take those 2 steps, then there's a lot more in-depth things that you can do to keep on building and scaling and growing your business, okay? If you would like to get the basics of internet marketing, like what is internet marketing, what do you need to do to get started, what are the terms that you need to be familiar with, how exactly does everything work, I have created an affiliate marketer's blueprint that is going to be in the description below. if you would like to get a software that I am currently using called ClickFunnels that is going to be able to create landing pages for you. You do not need to know how to create a website. There's hundreds of templates that you can choose from. All you need to do is edit it to your specific niche where you can actually capture people's email addresses and start to build a relationship with those people. I'm going to go ahead and leave that link down in the description below as well. Okay, until next time, my name is D. Anthony. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to be bringing you fire videos every single day showing you how you can make money in 2019 with affiliate marketing.